Hello everyone, welcome back to DataEngineers Academy. Today's problem is customers with more than 20 orders. We need to find customers who have placed more than 20 orders and display their ID, name and total orders, sorted by order count in descending order. Let's see how we can solve this step by step. Now, let's look at the playground.su per store table. This table contains the customer order details. Here we can see the customer_ID, customer_name, and order_ID columns. Notice that the same customer appears multiple times because each row represents a separate order. Our objective is to count the number of orders placed by each customer. Now, let's move on to the SQL query and see how we can solve this problem. After executing the query, we'll verify the expected output. Next, I'm opening Snowflake. This is the Snowflake environment. First, I create the playground.su per store table using the create table statement and define the customer_ID, name, and order_ID columns with their respective data types. After creating the table, I use the insert into statement to add sample records. These records will help us understand the problem and verify the query results. Now, let's understand the SQL query. I select the required columns and use count, order_ID, to calculate the total orders for each customer. The from clause retrieves data from the playground.su per store table, group by groups the customers, having filters customers with more than 20 orders, and order by sorts the final result in descending order. Now, let's run the SQL query. As you can see, the query has been executed successfully, and this is the output we obtained. The first column displays the customer ID, the second column displays the customer name, and the third column shows the total number of orders. Only customers with more than 20 orders are returned. Thank you for watching my video. For any training updates or inquiries, please contact us at 720-720-9005.